In this video, I show you how to fix Gcash cannot install. Try again, and if it still does not work, see common way to fix this problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Then clear the storage. Then delete. Now click on Permission. Allow all permission. Now search again Google Play Service. Now click on Google Play Service. Click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache only. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now search for Gcash. Click on it. Now click on install. Now I hope that this method fix cannot install Gcash problem on Play Store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can see that Gcash is installing.